All right, let's try and add a little bit more to our VueJS, and we're going to add something called Animate on Scroll. So you might have seen this before. When you go down a page, then things suddenly start to appear, like from the side and move up or something like this. So they won't appear until you scroll to a specific part, right? Just search for it if you don't know. But what we're going to do is we're going to type in AOS VueJS. And there's one here with medium, at least on mine, how to use VueJS with Animate on Scroll. And I'm going to go to this one. And I'm going to show you real quick, and you just follow this because it's not that hard. But anyways, we're doing it now. And what we want to do is we want to install this to our VueJS platform. So what we need to do is, again, grab this piece of code here, run install, save, AOS, add next. Cool. Let's go to our code. Let's stop our browser from working, or our server from working, and let's paste this in, make sure you're in the right library, and let's hit enter. So this should install our AOS in here, and it shouldn't take too long. So we would be ready to do this. Go away, Google. The next part we want to do is we want to implement them just like the two other times we did with Google Analytics, and the other one we just did smooth scrolling. So let's copy this part and let's go to our main. Where is it? Main. There we go. And let's do yet another paste here. So we are importing AOS from AOS and the specific path from this one as well. That's cool, right? So what's the next part? Now we need to initialize a view here. And it's just down here. We have to go to the new view, which we have right here, so it's in the same file. Awesome. And then we need to do this created. So whenever the view lifecycle hooks is creating something, then we need to initialize this view on scroll here. So let's grab this 3 lines of code. We don't need these because this is already in the system. So only these 3. Created and in here. So just before we do this, we have now created, and then we're doing AOS.initialize, and then we're doing a separation with the comma, and that's it. So let's click save, and let's do npm run serve, and see if we get any errors. Now we're installed AOS, and we implemented it, imported it, and we're now using it. So this will just be, hopefully, once it's done with this, make sure everything works. And then in the next video, we're going to do just a few different things so we can see how we can start animating things. Awesome, it works. So let's do a refresh. Nothing is destroyed. The anchor still works, the slowest anchor in the world. And that's great. So now in the next video, let's try to actually use this animate on scroll.